Welcome to Brit School. I am Abraham, and in this video today I want to show you a system that you can use to your advantage to earn over $1,000 within a couple of weeks. I know this probably sounds crazy. If you are someone like me who has failed so many times in trying to make money online, you might likely call this a scam or be skeptical about this. But before you do, let me quickly show you a proof that this system actually works. So you can see this account, and you can see this account has generated over $1,000. This is the outcome of working for over a couple of weeks, and this is something you can also replicate for yourself. You can see a successful transfer from this account to this Bitcoin wallet over here. You have several options when you've made your earnings in this system. You can use Bitcoin, MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, American Express, Payoneer, or Payeer to transfer your funds from this system. I was introduced to this system for free by a friend, so I wouldn't be charging you to show you how this system works. I will show you step by step how you can earn over $1,000 with this system. As long as you are willing to put in the hard work and you have internet connection and a smartphone or PC, you are good to go. So because of the nature of my work, I can attend to so many people at the same time. So I will attend to people based on a first come first serve and queue system. To get started, simply submit a request to learn how this system works and how this system can work for you to earn over $1,000 within a couple of weeks. Click the link below and send me a message to get started. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to working with you and helping you earn more money online. And bye.